Downloading a Wacom driver. If you click this link, it will bring you to this page. You want to scroll down till you see drivers Windows 7, 8 and 10. Just click download and confirm download. It will not take this fast to download. I just want to warn you that it might take a minute for it to download. Then you just want to click the link here, or you will find it in your downloads folder and it will just pop up here. Anyway, you click it and then it should come up with this. You want to press yes, allow it to change stuff on your computer. Then this will come up. You just want to wait until it asks you about the license agreement. You can read it, but I am not. If I just sold my soul, then that's what happens. Click accept and it will install. It took about 2 minutes for me to install on my first try, so you might wait a while. Success! Now you can either restart your computer now or later. I'm gonna restart it now and I'll see you after. And we're back. Okay, if you look down here by the time, you will see this pen icon. That's just showing that you could use a pen and it has installed properly. Now you want to plug in your Wacom, and you should know it's fully plugged in and functional when the light on the top middle turns on. Now if you go onto your start button and type in Wacom tablet properties come up. You can open this, but we're not going to be doing anything in it till next assignment. Congratulations, you have downloaded the driver. I will see you next time we have an assessment.